Hi, this is Nanda. Welcome to EROTECH Solutions. This product is designed for smart talk and where we can use for all residential schools, colleges and universities. So this product will help you to call for registered numbers only, and this already the people are using in so many organizations, educational institutions, and this is for fixed smart card based operation. This product is designed with GSM module, ESP32 module and LCD screen and 4x3 keypad. This product we developed by our own team. This product we developed by our own team. And coming to this functionality of this product, so we have one recharge machine, and this is done by operator. And this recharge machine, so we can add whatever the amount you are looking, like 1,000, hundreds, or 10,000 or 1 lakh, and you can recharge whatever the amount you required as per candidate's usage. And these are the boxes we can use for calling, and each box required one SIM card, which is managed by your own. And I'll show you the prototype operation here. And this is a one smart card. I'll test this product, and now I'm going to use one of the box for calling purpose. So once you remove the handle, so you need to insert your card, and the numbers are already registered here. And once I press the respective number, like if I press 1, then it will go call for first one. Once you press the respective number available on the screen, like if I am pressing 1, then I'll get called to the respective person. So I got from the number 1, registered number. So I'm going to cancel this, and if you want to break the call, simply remove the card, so then call will stop. So this is how this product will work, and it is simple to use, and this is applied for many educational institutes who wants to give mobile phone to the students. So this product will install directly to your respective organizations. So please contact our number available on the screen, and for more our products, we can subscribe us. Thanks for watching.